Welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix CarPlay app not working after update iOS 17. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and from here scroll down and click on screen time, and from here scroll down and click on content and privacy section. Scroll down and click on allowed app, and from here enter your passcode. From here you as can see CarPlay toggle. If the toggle turn on, what you need to do it turn off toggle at least the 30 second you have turn it on, and after that go back and click on again setting, and from here scroll down and click on journal, and from here click on date and time and make sure that turn on board toggle and select correct date and time, and after that go back your home screen and open again setting, and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection, turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 3rd second you have turn it on, and after that go back and turn on Bluetooth toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it turn on board toggle, and after that go back here home screen and open again setting. Click on this, scroll down and click on face ID and passcode and enter your passcode. Scroll down. From here you as can see toggle accessory. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it turn off your toggle, and after that go back and open again setting, and from here scroll down and click on journal, and from here scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and click on shutdown and slide to power off, and after a few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.